happy Sunday night. I hope you all had a great week and an amazing weekend. I missed you guys. I haven't been on in a while, so I'm really excited to do a look for you guys tonight. And stay tuned because at the end I will be announcing another amazing giveaway because we take care of our dolls. And we want to give you guys something really special for spring to really amp up your spring look and kind of do a little spring cleaning. So, okay, I know Doris has been talking about our brand new Hydrabalm. Hi, Patty. Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Sheila. I know Doris has been talking about, hi, Linda, our brand new Hydrabalm Swirled Serum Foundation, which is truly incredible. We launched it on our website, I think, 2 weeks ago, and then we just launched it on QVC. Hi, Laurie. On Monday last week. Hi, Nan. So it's been so great. Oh my gosh, it's selling out like crazy. Everybody's loving it. We're getting rave reviews and I'm obsessed with it myself. So first I wanted to show you guys that I truly wear this foundation, and let me show you what I'm talking about. First I'm going to show you my personal one. It's really crazy. The one I've been using like every day, my little dirty sponge, because this is like the best sponge ever and you get it with the foundation. But actually, ending at midnight tonight, you get a free gift with purchase. So when you buy the foundation, you still get the little sponge, but you also get our number 4 precision concealer, foundation brush, which is incredible. So that ends at midnight tonight, that you get that special price. You get the brush for free. So if you want this foundation and you haven't gotten it yet, make sure you get it today, ending at midnight. But let me just show you like how much I've used. Can you see that? Like I actually hit pan a little bit there. I've been putting it basically all over my body. So I'm really obsessed with this, but I wanted to open a fresh one just in case you guys haven't seen it yet, anybody tuning in. So it is nice and sealed for you. So when you get it, you peel this off. It's hermetically sealed, which keeps it really fresh and airtight. So you get this nice fresh swirl, so all that skincare is protected. And I know Doris was talking about how all the amazing skincare ingredients that is infused in this foundation. And you really, really need to try this without any skincare. Like, I know that's crazy, and as much as I'm a makeup lover, I really am a skincare lover, but you really have to try this on bare skin. Hi, Lisa. Yay, your foundation and brush are coming tomorrow. Please let us know how you love it, because I know you will. So I wanted to show you guys that I truly do wear this with no skincare. So I have like the littlest bit of makeup on. I was running errands today and I have a little bit left over. So I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm going where no other tutorial has gone before. I'm taking my makeup all off, taking it off, stripping it down. And I just wanted to show you guys that I really do put this on and how beautifully it does go on skin with nothing on underneath. Because you want all of those amazing skincare ingredients directly on your skin. Like, trust me, you want nothing between your skin and this amazing serum that's in this foundation. I'm gonna go around my brows because I did do them with my Archmaster. And I do have a little bit of, hi Ashley, love you. I do have a little bit of, actually, maybe a lot of bit of Illegal Eyes on. Where is it? I don't know where I put it. But as you can see, my lashes are definitely not bare. So I'm not completely bare. I do have brows and lashes on. So taking off all complexion that was left over from the day. You can see my beautiful skin. It's not looking too hot at the moment. So this is not fake. Look, stuff's coming off. Bare skin here. Hi, Cindy. Okay. So this foundation has copper tripeptides, and what that does, it actually rebuilds the collagen and elastin in our skin, which is insane. And it actually also helps to repair damaged skin from like sunspots or age spots. So over time, it will slowly start to fade those. And it also has licorice root, which also helps to brighten and fade any hyperpigmentation. So it's really, really great if you suffer from hyperpigmentation of any sort, age spots, sunspots, any sort of damage. It's incredible. So not only does it immediately brighten, but it brightens over time. So skin is not bare. I'm just going to let it dry for a second because I used a wet makeup wipe. And I'm actually going to use, I mean, this number 4 foundation brush is incredible. It's a doll fave, and it's nice and angled. So yes, free brush with purchase if you buy it before midnight. But I'm actually going to show you guys with the sponge because it's my jam. And I love to just carry this in my purse with me for touch-ups. And the little sponge is super convenient because it's already in your pack there. So I'm going to do just a quick, nice spring dewy look. Super simple and easy. I love to do really quick looks as the summer gets warmer. My makeup routine gets like quicker and quicker because I want to be quick. I want to get outside in the beautiful weather, and my skin loves the warm weather. So I don't need as much makeup. So I do this really quick, simple look. So all I do is dip right into the swirl. It doesn't matter where you dip. You're going to get foundation and formula no matter where you dip. And that serum really does go all the way down to the bottom of the pan. So it's a lot of skincare. And I just sweep this on. Let me back up a little there. Sweep this on quick and easy. Even all the way up under my eyes. And this is no skincare, guys. I have no eye cream on. You just saw me use a makeup wipe. I don't even need it. It's so super hydrating. And I have dry skin, and I also like a dewy look. So even if I use like a dewier foundation, I usually still need a moisturizer because my skin kind of like just absorbs it really quickly. Hi, Hetty. Really absorbs it really quickly. So I usually do one quick layer, and it's medium to full, so it's buildable. So if you want to do one quick layer, if your skin's looking really good that day, that's truly all you need. But then I like to go back in where I have a little bit of problems. Hi, Cheryl. Well, there will be a concealer that goes with this. So we're working on some stuff. We don't quite have one yet, but stay tuned. We're working on a lot of good stuff, Lisa. A lot of good complexion for 2019. So I promise you we're working on some good stuff for you. So I go back in and I just stipple right with my little sponge here where I need some extra coverage. Can you use waterproof mascara over a legal mascara? Yeah, oh my god, you totally could. If you wanted to do another layer of a different mascara over a legal eye to waterproof it. It is water resistant, but if you truly wanted to waterproof it, you absolutely could. Good question. Okay. Yeah, Lisa, Hydrolux concealer is going to be really good. Really, really good. I put this right on my eyes. It's great for the lids as a primer because it does brighten. So yeah, I just stipple where I have a couple extra problem areas. Move this back a little because I'm getting a glare. And then it's completely full coverage. So you see this like dewy glow I have to my skin, but I can still touch my skin. It's really not sticky. I can touch it. It feels good. It's not going to like transfer on my clothes. Hi, this makeup looks fabulous. It is so good. I promise you, it's amazing. And like I said, all those incredible skincare ingredients has seawater in it too. And you know how amazing your skin looks after a week at the beach when you've been going in the ocean. It's just an incredible ingredient. So many vitamins and minerals. So you don't want any barrier between your skin and this foundation. Okay, so that's it. I've literally, on the weekends, I've been putting this on and going out the door because it gives you just this natural glow and you don't even need, like I'm getting just a little bit of like a natural contour just from my cheekbone, and it looks like I have highlighter on. Like it just looks so pretty straight on your face. But I'm going to keep going a little bit more. So quick, dewy, summery look, spring summery look. I'm going to use some of our Micro Pixel bronzer with our fluffy number 15 brush. And just do a really quick bronzing up of my cheekbones. I'm not doing like a super particular like contour. I just want some warmth to my face. So I just added a little bit there, and you can see how it just brings a little bit of life back to my face. And I love how our Micro Pixel bronzer has this like red tint to it. It has a lot of different flecks of color. So it has gold, pearl, bronze, but it has an overall like red undertone, so it truly does look like you got a little bit of sun, but the safe way. So I'm just putting this on the high points of the face where your skin might naturally get a little bit of color. A little bit under my chin. Okay, color, yay. Okay, a little bit of a sun-kissed glow back into my skin because I'm still super pale. I know it's technically spring, and I mean the weather around here is not spring-like, so there's no chance that my skin's getting any less pale than this anytime soon, but the micropixel bronzer works wonders for me. All right, now I'm gonna use a little bit of our Hydrogel Cream Balm in Pinch Me. I say this little guy is underutilized. I love this. This is like one of my favorite purse products. Like it's always with me somewhere because you can use it in a lot of different ways. So I just put a little bit on my finger, no brush needed, and tap along my cheekbones there. Now you can like sheer it out if you want it to be a sheer wash of color, or you can build it a little more and make it a little more bold. So if I want, I can take a brush, just give it a little blend. It's that gel formula, so it just lays beautifully on the skin. It gives you that dewy look. It has vitamin E and vitamin C, so it's brightening and hydrating, and it just looks really pretty and dewy, like this natural flush. It doesn't look dry like a powder blush, which I love. So, other cheekbone. So I usually tap it on with one finger and then use one of my clean fingers to blend out. And you can't really mess up. It's this really nice gel formula, so it just floats on top of the skin. It's not heavy. Hi, Lynn. Okay. Put a little bit on the front there. Just give a little smile. Tiny bit on the apples of the cheeks. I'll blend it out a little more. That's what I love about this formula. You can use a brush or your fingers. Like typically a regular cream that's not gel based, you wouldn't want to use a brush because it would just, the bristles would absorb all the formula. And a powder formula, a powder blush, you can't use your fingers at all. You can only use a brush. Brush, I'm getting a tongue twister here. So you can do either with the Hydrogel Cream Balm. Fingers or brush, favorite part. I'm actually going to put a little bit on my lips. And this is like my weekend trick. Or this is like when my fiance is yelling at me and tells me I don't have time to put makeup on. I just do these couple little things and he can't even tell. Boys don't know sometimes. That's my little trick. Love that blush. I gave it to my sister and daughter. They love it. Yes, so many people love this. Mature skin, young skin, everybody loves this formula. And I love the finish of it on your lips. It's like not a sheen. It's just like this hydrated look. And I've even put this on my eyes before. I've put this everywhere and done like a really pretty monochromatic look. Just for some color. This is all about this like natural dewy summer glow, spring summer glow. Just putting some color back into your skin, but not really looking like you have makeup on. Okay, and of course, I want to mention again, I do have brows, my Arch Master on, and my Illegal Eyes mascara on, so not completely a no makeup look, but a little bit. Okay, and then last but not least, I have my H2 Glow highlighter. This was one of our first products. There it is. And this is just the best highlighter for that no makeup look because it's not like this large, sparkly, glittery particle or pigment. So it just looks like this lit from within glow, and it doesn't look like you have like glitter on your face. Just adds this radiance back into your skin. And I love that the color is neutral. So it's not yellow or pink. It has a neutral undertone. How many of you have gotten a highlighter home, and a highlighter, they don't really market highlighters for different skin tones. It's just like highlighters should work for all, but some of them are really, really pink or really, really yellow, and it really does look strange on the skin when it fights with your own undertone. So this is very neutral. And look at that. Ooh, really pretty. It's a sheen, but not a glitter. A little under the brow. Cupid's bow, of course. A little in the center of the lid. And Penny, you need this. It's one of our first products ever, the Doors ever created. So, and we haven't changed the formula. So it truly is a tried and true doll favorite that is just that good. We never needed to update the formula. It was perfect the first time. Little on the center of the lid, just to open up my eyes. And then a little on the center of my lips to give this like bigger pout when you just put it in the middle. Ooh, pretty. I'm like ready for the beach. This is like, I love when you get off the beach and you have like a little bit, you got like a little bit of color, a little bit of sun, and you don't want to put too much makeup on because your skin already looks good. Like that's what I'm trying to like fake here because I was not just on the beach. Okay, I think that's everything. So I used my Hydrabalm Swirled Serum Foundation. That guy right there with the incredible skincare directly on my skin, no moisturizer, no serum, absolutely no skincare whatsoever on my face before I apply this. And you can see it just has a beautiful finish. You guys saw me use a makeup wipe prior, so I truly had no skincare on. Then I popped on my Hydrogel Cream Balm, and this was in the shade Pinch Me, which matches my shirt. It's a really pretty rosy pink. Before that I used our Micro Pixel bronzer to give myself a sun-kissed glow. Hi Crystal, thank you. And then I used our H2 Glow highlighter for a little bit of a really pretty highlight all over my face, everywhere. Love this. And if I wanted, I could top it off with a little bit of lip gloss. I'll use some lip gloss from our nude lip wardrobe, even though I put some stuff on my lips already. Why not, right? This will just make my lips look even bigger because the gloss has those light enhancing pigments. So even dewier, even juicier. Love, love, love. Okay, now let's get to the good stuff that you guys have all been waiting for. The tutorial is good, but come on, we want the giveaway, right? Be honest with me, we want the giveaway. Thanks, Veronica. Okay, so this week's giveaway is a $500 doll shopping spree. So doll10.com, you have $500 to spend on anything you want. Thanks, Penny. Hi, Rhonda. Hi, Robin. A $500 doll10.com shopping spree. Oh my God, you can buy Hydrabalm foundation for your entire body and for everybody that you know. So really, really good one this week. They're all always good, but you know, we always take care of our dolls. So good luck in the contest. I wish you all the best of luck. And if you want more information on how to enter to win, just scroll, it's actually tagged at the top of our Facebook page. So just scroll up on the top and the giveaway information is right there. And enter to win. And again, tonight at midnight is the last, your last chance to get the Hydrabalm Swirled Serum Foundation and get the brush for free. So it's a little gift with purchase. So make sure if you wanted that foundation, it's the best time to get it because you get that incredible synthetic bristle brush for free. One of our top selling brushes. So check that out as well. All right, guys, I'm signing off. I'm gonna go have some dinner. I hope you guys have an incredible week. Good luck with the giveaway. Again, $500 dollars. Such a good one. Thanks for tuning in. Mwah. Love you all.